So, welcome to the first part of the turbo build, and in this part we are going to build an exhaust. It is already under the car, but I'm filming the intro now, and yeah, I will show you some footage of how I built it, what I used, and then show you some sound clips. So this was the old exhaust, which is, well, first of all, has these ugly tips, which I really don't like. They are just, like, I don't know, way too big and don't look good. And also the muffler has been welded here. This one has been welded here, has been welded on the other side. This transition is complete bullshit, and the diameter is like, I think 50 or 55 millimeters, which when I go turbo doesn't really make much sense. Also, these mufflers are chambered mufflers, so not really good for turbo. Yeah, it used 2 mufflers before, and what might seem strange is that I'm gonna use 4. That is because I want to keep the car relatively quiet, and because they are all resonators, so not with chambers inside. You have to use more muffler in general to keep the car at a similar noise level. They're all 2.5 inch, which should be fine for about 500 horsepower. And if I need to go bigger, I will have to build another exhaust, but this is what I have here for now, so I'm going to use those. They are Simmons mufflers, or one of them, and this one also. This one's a TurboWorks, and this one also, but a very cheap one. So this exhaust in general is going to be relatively cheap, because like one of these, or this Simmons is like 80 euros. This one, this TurboWorks is like 40. This one's like 40 as well, because it's a mild steel one, and this one is like 20, so all relatively cheap. And then I'm gonna use V-bands and some piping to make everything connect. Okay, so I welded the 2 mufflers now together, as well as the flex joint, because yeah, that's just gonna be in the transmission tunnel. And yeah, I just gotta unbolt the original flange now and check how that will work. That's basically what it will look like once it's in there and welded up. There are the 2 hangers, and it barely fits around here, so that's a little tight, but should be fine nevertheless. And yeah, so much for that. So we basically have the almost finished exhaust here. So we have the rear muffler, which is now smaller, but for that we have a bigger center muffler and 2 in the middle. You might say, well, isn't it going to be too quiet now? I don't think so, because it's a VR6 engine, so they are relatively loud, so I don't think this is going to be an issue, so to speak. I only have to fabricate the middle part now, but I'm gonna do that under the car, so I can check what pieces of pipe I need. I'm gonna mount everything now and build the last piece right here.